Okay, we pushed it out. Let's fire it up. Man, look at this dust, guys. I've never, in all my years combined, had my garage this messy, with all the messes combined. So, well, I got a break in the weather. I'm going to sweep this up, hose it out, crank up the heat. I already got the fan on, dry it out, and then put the car back in. So, poor car. Looks like it needs a beat. Oh, guys, got the floor cleaned. Got it as dry as I could. I squeegeed it out. Got the heat on 70 in here. I even have this thing kicked off with it because I know that's a definite moisture dryer. So, took a few minutes to get the heat up. I still got the vent open to the ceiling. So, I got the car covered. Try and keep any of the humidity off it. Keep the Bondo dust acting as a desiccant. But that's it. I'm glad I got this done today. And I can move around this garage with all the dirt and dust and crap. So I'll try and keep up with it this time. So I'm calling it for a night. Time to go in the house and enjoy the family. We'll get back on this thing probably tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to take this fender off. I don't know if you guys remember, but I wanted to tweak that lip over. It wasn't 90 degrees, just so I could get a little bit more of a hood gap down here at the corner. Then I'll refit it back on the car and we'll start the Bonding. And that's it. Took a couple of pictures you guys will see later in the video. I think the car looked pretty good with the fender wells moved forward. I did buy another set of tires. I will be picking them up on Sunday. We just couldn't hook up, me and the guy. He's in Jersey. But between him going away and me going away for the weekend, we just couldn't hook up. So we set it up for next Sunday morning. I think you guys are going to like them. You know, they're similar to these. They are bias ply. They're the Moroso tires. So definitely taller than these. I forgot what these things were. I think these things are like 26.5 inches tall. The other ones are 27 3/4. So the tread width is about the same. So we'll see how they work out. He definitely gave them to me at a reasonable price. So if they don't work out and I don't like the way they ride or whatever, I'll just flip them. You know, flip them at the next swap meet. But I think they should be fine. So with that, I'm going to put this heater on low and go in the house for a little while. I turned the other one off already. That's it. Happy YouTubing.